Okay, so I'm gonna try to do this just with the camera on a tripod, so it's gonna be kind of awkward. Just bear with me. I'm gonna first clip the end of the floss. So I'm going from the second floor. You can see I'm gonna let this hang down pretty far, almost to the floor. And then I'm gonna get my scissors, cut that. As my scissors dropping, all's okay. So I'm trying to get this so you can see my hands here. So now I'm going to separate the thread into 3 on each side. Hard to see from where I am. I'm turning. Okay, so I have it separated into 3s, as you can see. I'm going to pull this way. I'm actually going to raise this above the railing, and you won't be able to see. So looking at my hands further apart. So let me see if I can raise this up. If I wasn't filming here, I would lean my belly against that railing. Since I'm filming, I'm going to hold back with my left hand, and then grab with my right, and then I have to grab. You have to grab it somehow. My arms are completely spread apart now. So I'm going to hold my left hand out, grab this with the right, to hold it, and grab my left. Pull. Now all the while this is spinning on the clothespin, so it's not getting tangled. And you just continue to do this until, let's see, camera back there. Coming back up. And there it is. And you can see it's still spinning. Grab the threads, raise it up higher. See how it spins? You don't get a single tangle because the weight of the clothespin makes it spin and not tangle. So come all the way up. Threads. So what I do now, again, I'm trying to just do this by myself. I'm going to take one side off, let it down, make sure it's clipped really good. I'm going to put it back down, and let it home. Once again. I'm trying to carry the tripod. Okay, so there it is. It's hanging. It's almost to the floor. You can see it's still spinning. So what I'm going to do is just let that continue to spin until it stops spinning, and then it's completely untangled. And then I will and wrap it on a cardboard bobbin type thing and make a little seal out. And that's how you separate long lengths of embroidery floss. Okay, so now I have all the threads separated. This is a very time-consuming thing to do. It probably took me a good 45 minutes just to do this. So I do punch needle embroidery. I don't do cross stitch. For punch needle embroidery, you don't need to cut. You just use one long strand, which is why I wanted these to be as long as possible. So I'm going to recommend to you, if you're doing punch needle, to use Valdani, either 3-strand floss or pearl cotton. Pearl cotton is also available by DMC, which is less expensive than the Valdani, but you will not get the gorgeous colors that Valdani has in the variegations. So this is just a way to show you how to do this. It is, again, not something that I prefer to do. I prefer to use one long ball of thread without having to cut and separate. So I'm going to leave a link down below for where I buy my Valdani. It is called snowflakememories.com, and I'll put a link in there. And happy stitching. Please like and subscribe this video. It's free to subscribe, and if you click on the bell to get notifications, you'll get an email every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Bye.